Okay, so part three. How are we going to go from where we've got to where we want to go? Part three, we're going to discuss some incredible things along the lines of engagement. Okay, so we discovered a couple of things about how to engage at the start of the presentation by using questions, statements, or a prop. Okay, but this is now engaging the audience through the second and really important part of your presentation, which of course is the bulk of the problem, expanding on the problem as we talked about, and then giving the solution. So one very effective and easy technique is really as simple as eye contact. And I know you're going to be thinking, well, I do that already. And yes, you may. But what you've got to do with eye contact is especially make the audience feel like you're talking to them. And that is the key to eye contact and any gestures and body, hand movements that you might use and make. Okay, so for example, if you're in a room, maybe a boardroom, meeting room, depending on the layout, it's really easy for us to engage with somebody that seems active and listening. They may be smiling, they may be attentive, they may be nodding their head. And as human beings, we're going to automatically be attracted to that person in a sense that we're going to engage with that person, unfortunately, at the cost of everybody else. And this is so common and so detrimental because everybody else is going to feel, guess what, left out. And we don't want that. We want everybody engaged fully into the conversation, into the presentation, and feel part of the conversation. Okay, and that's really where we want to aim for, that, everybody feels like, yeah, this person is talking to me. So make sure that in your presentations and in your speeches, mini speeches, whatever they may be, that you are talking to everybody specifically and trying to engage everybody with eye contact. Now, if you've got a huge auditorium, obviously this is not going to be possible, but still, scanning and making every part of that auditorium feel like they're part of the conversation is still very important. Okay, and really, again, just to reiterate that the eye contact, try not to let it fall on one or two people that are looking and are actively engaged. Now, sometimes this can be really off-putting because you are looking directly at people. One of the techniques is to kind of just look at the forehead, the eyebrow area, so you're not making direct eye contact, and it still makes the person feel like you are actually looking at them and talking to them. And what it does for you is the eyes are very, very powerful. So when you do make eye contact, sometimes it can be a little bit off-putting if you're not experienced at doing it. So what I would suggest and recommend is just look just above eye level, and that is good enough. And it'll let you feel a lot more comfortable because you're not making that direct eye contact and you're looking just above